Now, in Orozo, a growing dump site near the main market is becoming a major concern, and that's in the FCT. What started as a small refuse spot has now spread toward the road, making access difficult for traders and commuters alike. The situation is also raising concerns about public health and government response. Now, my colleague, our correspondent Sumayya Abubakar, is live at the Orozo Market to bring us the latest update. Sumayya, you are at the scene, and I can see behind you how it seems like it's already flooding into the streets, and that's the situation with the dump site right there. This is a recurring issue because we had a conversation about this last week, I remember. Why do we still see a recurring conversation about dump sites extending into the roads?
Blessings, good afternoon. I would say that this is a really sad situation. But right here, I'm standing at Orozo Market. Now, this dump site is facing the Orozo Market. And if you can see, I'm going to just walk around so that you can see how close it is to the market. Now, these are people, of course, behind me selling food stuff. Right to this side also, we have also people selling foodstuff and other things. Now, according to the people of this area, they're saying that this is something that is really frustrating, even though it has we have two different opinions, when it comes to the people, because some of them are saying that, the government have been trying. We were able to talk to one of the market officials who pointed out that the government are trying. According to him, he said they come at least 2 to 3 times a month. But then we were able to talk to someone who sells in this market, and he made a point that this has been here for over a month. And according to a resident of this area, she said that this is something that every market day, we're talking about Tuesday is the market day of Orozo Market, and the people talking about the vendors that come to display their goods, they have to use their hands or things to push this dump site in. And we all know that right from underneath this dump site comes a very oozing smell. So when they push it back, they tend to put, their mats or their bags that they put to sell their things on this place. So according to them, every market day, which will be tomorrow, is really horrible for them because the smell and the stench just covers the entire area and the market side. So I don't know why this is an occurring situation, because right by my right, it's road to Karishi, and then from this road it leads you down to Cairo going to town. So this is a major road, and every junction, I would say from Karishi, every junction you stop by, you would tend to see a dump site in front. According to the people, they say that they are still appealing to the government to at least create another place for them to dispose their dumps. But if not, then the government should be able to pack this at least 2 times a week. That would help, because someone said if at all they come and pack it today, then by Thursday this would be on this size again. So it is really frustrating. The only thing we've seen from government is that whenever we come out to make this report, because we know that they are watching News Central, then they are quick to go park. Because while coming here, we noticed that Cairo dump sites, they're working on it, they're still parking. For Kurudu, they're also parking. But here it is stalled. Nobody is saying anything. It's just when they feel like it that they come to park this. So that is the current situation here from Orozo.
All right, Sumayya Abubakar, thank you so much for bringing us the update on that. And we're hoping that there's no recurrent situation that would make us have to talk about this again, because it's been a conversation in a row. Thank you once again.